Good morning, students. So this is Gagandeep Singh from Maples Academy. First of all, hello to all. Okay, so today I'll be demonstrating a simple activity video that you will be asked to do, and the title of my topic is mini volcano. So I'm just saying the topic it as a mini volcano, so it's not something which is associated with your social science, specifically geography. We'll be dealing it in terms of how actually you can make some simple models. So for doing this model, we'll be needing some simple ingredients which are basically easily available in everyone's household, right? In the kitchen you will find these items. So basically the items that I'll be using is like your vinegar. White vinegar I'll be using. Normally you can find in your kitchen anyways if you ask your mom and all. So that peculiar taste that you get in your pickles, right? जो अलग सा स्वाद आता है, that is because of vinegar. And we know that basically vinegar is nothing but a solution of acetic acid. And apart from that, I'll be using baking soda. You must have heard of or read about this thing, the one ingredient that we are adding in the cakes and breads making process, so that more of fluffiness is there, right? So what actually happens? And why I'm saying that it is associated with your mini volcano. The reason is simple, right? This setup can be used for making volcanoes, as you would have seen in the various science exhibition models. The students have been preparing the volcanoes. So what exactly are those ingredients that people are using, right? So I'll be just mixing up vinegar with baking soda, and what will happen? The release of carbon dioxide gas will be there, and you would have heard about this term that is called as brisk effervescence, right? So when rapid evolution of carbon dioxide is there, okay, in the form of bubbles, that is called as brisk effervescence. Okay, so continuing further, what I have done, I have taken baking powder and have put it in a conical flask, right? So in your house, like, can you simply use any glass type which is made up of basically any tumbler you can take that is made up of glass. Then if you are not having funnel, so funnel basically means this structure that will be used for pouring any specific liquid or solid. So you might not have this in your house, so you can simply make funnel of your with the help of a paper with your own convenience. So what I have done, I have just added baking powder with the help of this funnel in the conical flask, and I'll be taking this white vinegar in large quantity, right? So make sure you are taking 2 to 3 tablespoons, or you can say big scoops of spoon of baking powder, and 1 cup of white vinegar. So this one I'm putting it in a container. So then you will see, the basic concept is simple. We have vinegar, which is a mixture of acetic acid, a basic solution of acetic acid, and we have baking soda, which is nothing but a big base. So when this reaction occurs, right, we see the concept of brisk effervescence, right? That is carbon dioxide rapidly is evolved in the form of bubbles. So I'll put it near the camera so that you can hear the sound also. So this thing can be used for making a lava, right? You can see how attractive it would be for the children, right? Continuing further, you can still see the bubbles which are trying to come outside. So this is nothing but the carbon dioxide that is coming out.